Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the half double crochet 2 stitches together. This is how you will decrease 2 stitches into 1 by using a half double crochet stitch. To review, a half double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull back through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops to complete that stitch. Now if you want to take the next 2 stitches and combine them into 1 and decrease that, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull back through. You will have 5 loops on your hook. Now to decrease the stitches, you will yarn over and pull through all of those, and you've taken those stitches and made them into just 1. So one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull back through, and you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull back through, and then you have completed the half double crochet 2 stitches together. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.